So we saw the flamingos and some other birds. Now we are looking over here. This is the place. It's a nice place. So I'm gonna take a video of this small place over here, and I'm going to show it to you. This is a center where some information is given. There are no birds or animals over here. Okay, it's just informative. Okay, let's go from the left. Okay. Some nice information about the mangroves and the flora and fauna, flowers and fruits of the mangroves. I saw this bird, kingfisher, over here, and this is how it sounds. Okay. Okay. This is mangroves. See, during the low tide, you can see this mud skipper and the crabs and this shells. What is hermit crab and mollusk. This is the frog which is also found. This is a fiddler crab. This is how mullet. It's a kind of it's a kind of a fish. Okay, maybe they make a sound. Oh no, I think it's the sound of this bird. Green sandpiper. No, it's the sound. Okay, they don't make much of a sound. Mud flats. Okay, and this is, you can see a movie inside. Slide movie. Okay, here's the next one. I love this one. They're making a heart sign, see? There's a third one. Then there's these pictures of flamingos. I saw them live with my own eyes. Birds of Thane Creek. Okay, this is how the flamingo sounds like. Okay, when they draw. Like frogs. And what is this? Creatures of the night. Okay, we can't see this. Eurasian spoonbill. We can't see this because at night time they don't have the view or thingy to go there. This is black crowned night heron. Okay. Moon! My beautiful moon. Let's see over here. Okay. Which? Oh, sea urchin. What is this? Pomfret. Oh, star, something star. Let's see what's the information. Sea star. There's information over here. I like the way how they have made it. Sea urchin. What's this? This is silver pomfret. Poplet. And this is a dolphin. I think they have dolphins also over here. I love how this sounds, so pretty. Aww. And this is a coral. They say it's all over here as well. What fish is this? Spearfish. Turtle. My baby Baba. My dingly. I love you. This is the sound of the sea. Sea sounds so beautiful. And this is a display of all the fishes and the sea life. And here we are. What is this? Okay, coral reefs. Oh, they have some fishes over here. I thought it was just pictures and all. Oh, but they're very little fishes over here. Hey, fishy, fishy. Hi. I love you. Oh, it's snack time for you. Eat it, huh? अच्छा तो छुप गया, मैं तुम्हें छुपने नहीं दूंगी. Okay, there's more. I forgot to show you this. This is a nice informative thingy. You know what you have to do is you have to take this and drop it over here. Come on. Why it's not going? Okay, let's see this one if it works. No, it doesn't work. Otherwise, what happens is when you drop it over here, it shows you all the information about this bird or fish or whatever it is. It's nice, informative. Let me show it to you somewhere else. I saw it over here as well. Yeah, this one. It was showing me information about flamingos. So, suppose I take this here. Okay, and it shows information in Marathi or English. So I choose English, and then they have this. Okay, can't scroll because it's only this much. Okay, let me just take one more. Ta-dang! Feet, flamingos, feet. Okay, then take this, then take this. Okay, go away please. Earring. What else is this? This is all about earring only. Salt ejection. Nice, right? Okay, I think I am done. This is the last one. So yes, you saw the video. I have put of all the things over here. I hope you like it. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. So this was what I left out. It's a nice quiet center. Small but informative. This is also called a museum. It's not a museum. I don't think it's a museum. It's a It's an information center. That's it. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. In India, there are two types of flamingos which are commonly found: greater flamingos and lesser flamingos. Majority of the flamingos we are talking about are lesser flamingos. The lesser flamingos are comparatively smaller in size with dark beaks and red eyes. The greater flamingos have a grey beak and whitish eyes. Their necks are S-shaped and they fall into the category of wading birds.
This is the fish. Hey, why are you hiding? Look at this one. Come here, come here, come here. Let me take a whole picture. What's in here? Where's that?
This is creepy actually. I didn't know that. मस्त है ना? 3D देखो मुझे.
If a flamingo has to adopt the diet of any other bird, it would gradually turn black to grey. A richer coloration is in this bird. Its source of food is mostly blue-green algae. They are also social birds and live in colonies of thousands. They nest on mud. मेरा फोन दो ना.
What were you reading?
I was reading this flamingo.
Flamingo.
Oh, this seems to be another one. Ooh, feet. Flamingos have adapted themselves to suit the extreme conditions around the water bodies. They have long legs which can help them wade into deep water. Their legs are soft and slender, which help them in walking without much effort. They have webbed feet that aid them in walking on soft mud near water bodies. The same adaptation also helps them to swim readily in water. They can often be floating on the water in large groups. They hold their breath while preying on fish underwater. Their long necks help in keeping their face above the water level.
How tall are you, Shaman?
I'm almost 5 feet.
Almost 5 feet. You become so tall. Let me see what's there as well. What are you looking at me? I'm not touching you, okay? Don't say. Is it over here? Okay, it's office. Something over here is it? That's some. Yeah, those I think are real. This right here are whale bones. The real ones.
Real bones.
Oh, I'm not gonna touch them, sorry. Oh, but
Looks scary.
why are they kept open?
Real bones.
I'm not gonna touch them, sorry.
Looks
Why
scary.
are they kept open? सॉरी मालूम होता तो लेके आती थी ना तेरे लिए मैं no I don't have anything sorry darling so cute no I don't golden koi fishes are there
They are moustache.
mustard
First I saw one fish, then I saw so many.
वो बोल रहे थे फिश पॉन्ड वो यही था क्या come here oh see that black one oh it's got a golden eye ये कितना cute है रे oh I wish I had some food for you but here's some energy for you take some reiki for free and love lots of love
Hi Orangey. Hi Orangey.
hi here's spotty here's blackie here's orangey here's yellowy oh it's mangoey not yellowy oh look at that golden one black and golden one
That's a luck.
luckfish all are lucky
इतना बड़ा fish. So exciting. बोलते इतना बड़ा फिश जितना बड़ा पॉन्ड उतना बड़ा फिश लेकिन पॉन्ड छोटा है फिश बड़ा है